I normally document every piece that he is on it. So 4 screws here, 1, 2. Oh, so 6.
Like 2 middles.
There's another one. Oh, 2 middle ones. Yeah. And then we'll also replace this, yeah? That one.
Okay.
Yep. So it just clips into the breaker. Yep. The other one. It's not charged yet. Yep. Yep. Off. Off the other one. Yep. Alright, close the mains. Yep. Close the reserve. Trips, yeah, straight through.
Yeah, trip straight through.
Close and off. Alright. Turn that off and then.
Start again.
Yep.
So both in neutral position.
Yep.
Charged. Both charged.
Yep. Close it.
So it's on the generator.
Yep.
Close.
Yep. And yep.
Trying to close mains. Chip
Yep.
through.
Yep. That's what we want. Open. Yep. Close it again.
Closing.
Yep.
To watch more, subscribe. Thanks.